compliance lets us know we're supporting.
President Biden makes a move on guns. Lisa Brady, Fox News. He's announcing executive orders, though some depend on Justice Department action.
President Biden wants to make it easier for states to enact red flag laws, which enable law enforcement to temporarily take guns away from people who could be a threat to themselves or others. He's also taking aim at ghost guns, made from kits, and are untraceable because they don't have serial numbers. The Justice Department is expected to issue a rule to help stop the proliferation of the weapons within 30 days, as well as a regulation for pistols with stabilizing braces to meet National Firearms Act requirements. President Biden is also nominating gun control advocate David Chipman to lead the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives.
Fox's Rachel Sutherland. A House-passed effort to expand background checks is still awaiting action in the Senate. A county coroner's office in South Carolina just confirming that Philip Adams, a former NFL player, is the man found dead of a self-inflicted gunshot wound after a standoff with police. The York County Sheriff's Office was investigating Adams as the suspect in a mass shooting that left 5 people dead, including a prominent doctor, his wife, and 2 of their grandchildren. A source tells AP Adams had been treated by the doctor. He had played for 6 NFL teams. A prosecution expert says George Floyd died from lack of oxygen. Dr. Martin Tobin points the finger at former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin, who had him pinned to the ground.
Mr. Floyd has his face rammed in to the street because he's using his face here to try and crank up his chest. He's actually using his forehead and his nose and his chin as a way of trying to help him get air into the right side of his chest.
The defense has argued drug use played a role in Floyd's death, and they've questioned whether Chauvin's knee was on Floyd's neck or on his shoulder blade. It's day 9 of Chauvin's murder trial. America is listening to Fox News.
This report is sponsored by...